Doola Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of Doola, a platform designed to help entrepreneurs form LLCs, manage business finances, and handle tax-related tasks, all in one place. Doola is specifically made for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone launching a startup. One of its standout features is its ease of use. Even if you're not tech-savvy or familiar with the legal and financial side of starting a business, Doola simplifies everything for you. It takes care of the LLC formation process, EIN setup, and can even open a U.S. business bank account for non-residents. Additionally, Doola offers bookkeeping services, which is great if you want to keep your financials in check without hiring a full-time accountant. But is Doola really worth it? In my experience, the platform does a solid job at automating the tedious parts of business formation and management. The dashboard is intuitive, and their customer support is responsive, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with legal and financial issues. Doola is ideal if you're looking to streamline the back end of your business without having to juggle multiple services or platforms. However, it's not perfect. If you're an established business, you might find their services too basic, as it's clearly geared toward newer businesses or those who don't have a lot of experience with financial management. Also, while their LLC formation service is solid, it's not the cheapest on the market. So if you're on a tight budget, you might want to shop around. In conclusion, Doola is a fantastic all-in-one solution for entrepreneurs who are starting out and need help with LLC formation, tax management, and bookkeeping. It's reliable, easy to use, and provides excellent support. But if you're looking for something more advanced or more cost-effective, it might not be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you decide whether Doola is right for your business.